Confidence in aquaculture involves reliably supplying seafood at the right volumes, both regularly as well as growing them to meet market demand, the right price, especially reducing volatility, and of course the right quality, including sensory attributes, nutritional value, and sustainability. So what are the challenges aquaculture faces in order to meet those needs? While it all may look pretty on the surface, we do have some serious issues to address in order to deliver reliably in all those areas, especially as we grow and intensify to meet market demand. So let's dive a little deeper and go below the surface. Down here, we can see how the fish are doing. And I'm raising fish welfare here, not just because it's my own field when I put my academic hat on, but I want you to keep it in mind as I go through the main challenges, as they can all impact fish welfare. So what challenges do we have? This next slide was a hard one to make beautiful. The fish themselves have to cope with predators, which can cause stress as well as losses. Fish health is a major challenge, and one I've been involved with commercially for 10 years now, and includes, among other things, parasites, bacteria, viruses, and even jellyfish swarms. And then there are escapes, which hit the news every so often. In husbandry systems, feed management has gone backwards. We don't have modern equivalents of the automated feedback loops that my first company introduced in the 90s. And we're still using 90s tech for biomass control, meaning we don't know how many animals we have in our cages or ponds, nor an accurate picture of their size distribution. We have environmental challenges. We're running out of space and we aren't getting enough new sites allocated for growth. We need to ensure availability of high quality water. We have to take whatever the weather throws at us. The climate change isn't helping and algal blooms are increasing, and we need to deal with increasing volumes of effluent responsibly. We need feed ingredients which can meet our needs sustainably as we grow while maintaining fish performance and health, as well as the great nutritional benefits we offer the consumer. Substituting for fish meal and especially fish oil are the biggest challenges here, as you already know. So tell me, how am I doing so far with building your confidence? Providing universal traceability and quality assurance remains elusive. The certifiers, including BAP, have worked hard to move the industry a long way in the right direction, but the systems in place still present barriers for a lot of producers for various reasons, so we need to improve accessibility. So those are the challenges, and we do have innovations coming through to address all of them, and I'll provide a few examples now. In parasites, we have something right out of Star Wars, laser guns, which hang in salmon cages and zap the sea lice directly off the fish. The latest model of the system sizes the fish as well. We've got new approaches to disease prevention, such as using biotechnology to have host organisms produce immune-boosting proteins that then become a feed ingredient, can be fed to the fish to impart disease resistance, such as these insects, which you'll hear more about later today from Mihir of Vaxi, whom I've recently begun working with. Innovative feed ingredients are another area I've been working with for several years now, and we've got biotechnology here too, such as innovative crops which produce omega-3 oils for fish oil substitution, and bacteria that feed on hydrocarbons to produce protein for fish meal substitution, which you heard about yesterday. We're also seeing the farming of other organisms, such as insects fed on organic waste and used as a protein source, and even aquaculture for feedstock in the form of algae, which can be grown extensively in ponds or intensively in fermenters to produce protein, pigment, and omega-3 oils. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, as well as big data approaches, are transforming husbandry, bringing the industry rapid decision-making tools, fish sizing and counting systems, as well as feed management systems. And these are generally retrofittable to on-farm equipment, so can be taken up on a subscription basis without involving CapEx. And we have blockchain arriving in the aquaculture world to serve as a backbone for traceability and QA systems, providing wider and easier access, along with a cryptocurrency platform to incentivize users. You'll hear more about this from Jason Berryhill of Each Mile, among others, later today. So in recent years, the world's realized the importance of aquaculture, and innovators from outside our industry have taken an interest for the first time. Pre-competitive fora really do illustrate the power of collaboration here, and the involvement of the whole value chain can be a great way to build confidence in aquaculture. So what are examples of this? The Australian Government has Second Muse, a global innovation agency, running an incubator program that I'm working with. They've successfully engaged multiple stakeholders in the innovation process for sustainable seafood supply from Indonesian aquaculture. Sorry, I've got ahead of myself here. So these newcomers need to understand our industry from many perspectives, as I've said. We've got the Second Muse. We've got Kipster, which we heard about today from Neil Manchester, a whole vision of what I'm talking about coming together in delivery. And then the F3 Challenge, which is a more focused, single-issue approach that caused some controversy in Dublin last year. The protest, participants, and network that this group has developed is doing wonders for pushing forward innovation in fish meal and fish oil substitution. So powerful collaborations can move innovation forward, and we, the Gold community, are in a great position to lead on this, foster innovation, and build confidence. We uniquely have the range of stakeholders, the entire value chain, and global representation. Participants can become part of the solution as well as the story. So I look forward to working with you all in shaping a robust future for our industry, ensuring everyone has confidence in it. There's my email address for anyone who'd like to get in touch. Thanks for your time. Thanks to James and Stephen for the invitation, and to the wider Gold team for bringing this great meeting together. Thank you.